I am Samadhan Borkar, IRSMEP officer of 2019 batch. I welcome you to this video. This video is dedicated to periodic overhauling of BOBRN wagon. BOBRN wagon is used for bulk movement of coal, ore, stone, track ballast, etc. The main feature of this hopper type wagon is the automatic discharge of commodity with the help of manually operated pneumatic valve which operate the bottom doors. POH interval of BOBRN wagon is 6 years for both first POH and subsequent POH. Following are the major work areas where attention is given during POH of BOBRN wagon: body repair work, under gear repair work, bogie repair work, air brake system, center buffer coupler, wheel axle and bearing, door operating mechanism. In body repair works, side walls, side pillar, etc. are checked for any damages, cracks, etc. If any of that found, repair, lubrication and for corroded part of the primer, paint and coating are done. Also fitting and replacement of door fastening rod, door quarter pin eye, bolt hook and eye locking pin on empty wagons is done if required. Under gear repairs. Under frame inspection is done thoroughly. All slack or broken rivets or lock bolts are replaced with new ones. For cracks, in case of horizontal crack, it is drilled at both ends and cracked portion gauged out and welded. In case of vertical cracks, patching strengthens the cracked portion. Repairs to headstock diagonals to sole bars are done if required. Bogie repair works. Bogie is sent to bogie repair shop where disassembly and assembly of bogies are done in very sequential manner for proper functioning. Inspection of all the load and snubber bearings for free height is done for proper setting after wagon body is on bogies. Various clearances such as lateral clearance between side frame and bolster, lateral clearance between side frame and axle box or adapter, longitudinal clearance between side frames and axle box or adapter, longitudinal clearance between side frame and bolster, etc. are checked for respective bogies and verified that lies within prescribed limits. Also, various components such as axle box components, adapter components, side frames, pedestal crown ropes and sides, center pivot, friction shoe wedge block, elastomer pads, etc. are checked for wear limits. In air brake system, during POH, all associated assemblies are removed, are properly overhauled, tested and fitted. For example, DV assembly, pipe bracket, dirt collector, angle cocks, brake cylinders, automatic empty load changeover device, etc. Also, examination of all pipes for damages, cuts, corrosion, etc. is done. Damaged and heavily corroded pipe are replaced. The pipes are hammered and also blown with dry compressed air to make them rust free and scale free. Activities carried out in center buffer coupler. For CVC body, inspection of coupler and coupler operating mechanism is made. After inspection, only dry lubricant are applied to the coupler head or coupler head fittings. CVC body contour is checked using various gauges and corrected if required. For draft gears, visual examination of rubber pads and coil spring is done irrespective of the amount of free slack. If any correction required flux for slack, then it is done. For knuckle assembly, nose is replaced if wear limit is more than 9.5 mm with STE knuckle. Knuckle pin and knuckle hole conditions are checked using various gauges. Based on the condition of the same, they are replaced if required. Activities carried out in wheel and axle section. For skidded wheels where the spots got hardened are sent to reprofiling section for softening in furnaces, and after softening, wheels are sent to tire turning where machining of root radius, vertical inclined surface, radius on the top of the flange door is done. Door operating mechanism. During the repair of door operating mechanism, dismantling of and cleaning of all parts takes place. All the components are cleaned using kerosene. All rubber components are removed and replaced with new ones. Also, dismantling of cylinder is done. Piston rod is replaced during POH. During assembly of cylinder, fitting of new washers and spring washers are done. The POH flow chart of BOBRN wagon is as follows. First, the primary examination of wagon is done. After finding out the component details, the cleaning of body and floor is done. And observation and marking for repair of the body is done. After that, lifting of body for separating bogie from it done, and the bogie is sent to bogie repair shop, where bogie is inspected and corrected for any requirements. After lifting the body is placed on trestle. Stripping of brake gear and CBC is done. After that, repairing to center seal and sole bar is done. Then repair to end wall, side wall and door operating mechanism is done. After that, fitment of brake gear items, CBC is done on the frame. After that, placement of body on bogie and connecting the same bogie which is brought from the bogie repair shop. After the whole process done, the painting and marking is done. After painting and marking, the bogie is ready, the wagon is After painting and marking, the examination is done by NTXR. If any errors that are shown by NTXR are corrected. After that, the weighing of wagon is done on weigh bridge and is recorded. After that, the wagon is ready for loading for traffic department. Thank you.